arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see wiper removal video first. Always place a towel under the wiper arm to protect your windshield if you accidentally allow the wiper arm to fall. For installation on a hook arm, the connector you will be using has been pre-installed for convenience. Follow these steps for quick and easy installation. Lift the cover on the connector. To do so, align the wiper blade with the arm and slide the curved end of the connector into the hook. Pull the arm until you hear a click sound to close the cover and gently pull the blade down the arm until you feel resistance to ensure the blade is secure. Arm gently back on the windshield. Never let the arm release directly onto the windshield as this will cause damage.